Good morning to all. Now today you are discussing the combination equation of straight lines. That means pair of straight lines. This is the combination of the equation. What is the called the pair of straight lines? Now before going to pair of straight line concept, you just go to the first. See, if two lines are given, L1 is equal to 0 is a one line and L2 is equal to 0 is another line. L1 is equal to 0 is a one line and L2 is equal to 0 is another line is given. This is the two lines are given. Okay. Now combined of these two equations, that means L1 into L2 is equal to 0. Combined of these two equations, L1 is equal to L2 is equal to 0 is called pair of straight lines. Is called, what is that? Is called pair of straight lines. Pair of straight lines. Now, so first of all, in this one, there is a two type of concept are there. What is the first concept is two separate line equation write down in a combined equation. Suppose combined equation is given, how to separate the separate equations. Okay. So now this is the pair of straight lines of concept. See, we will be discussing the problems and related to the theories about this one. So first of all, pair of straight lines. Adding pair of straight lines. So now see, if I written L1 is equal to x plus y is equal to 0. L2 is equal to x plus 3y is equal to 0. These are the two lines I written. Which type of lines are these two? These two lines, there is no constant term. So, passing through origin, passing through origin, because both does not have any constant terms. So, both the equations are passing through the origin. Now, I am going to write down the combined equation of these two. Now, what is the first equation? X plus y. And the second equation is x plus 3y is equal to 0. Now just go to the multiply this one. X into x is x square plus x into 3y is 3xy plus y into x is equal to xy plus 3y square is equal to 0. If you write in clearly means x square plus 4xy plus 3y square is equal to 0. This is the equation of pair of straight lines. Which type of equations are? The two equations are passes through the origin means if you write down like this is x-axis, again it is y-axis. So there is the two lines. The first line is y is equal to like this is written. And another line is like this is line means these two lines are passes through the origin. These two lines are passes through the origin. So passes through the origin. So combined equation of these two equation is this one. So what is the combined equation of these two equation is x square plus 4xy plus 3y square is equal to 0. So what is that? This is the first equation. Now see, here both are positive means like this it will be coming and I get written like this. To understand for purpose only I written. But these lines are coming like this. Two lines are coming. Means what is that? That according to these two lines if you can take means it will be not coming like this. How it is coming means clearly I can draw it. Because x is equal to y is equal to minus x and y is equal to minus 3x by 2 means, slope negative slope, so the lines will be coming. This is the lines of the truss. For your understanding purpose only I written like the truss. So what happened it is, here if you can go for the truss means, it is the first line y is equal to minus x, and it is the second line y is equal to minus x by 3. So these are the two lines can be, see you know that was y is equal to mx, y is equal to mx is a line passes through the origin, y is equal to mx is a line passes through the origin. Here m is positive means lies in first and third quadrant, m is negative means lies in second and fourth quadrant. So these two combined equation is, that is x square plus 4xy plus 3y square is equal to 0. This is the combination of these two equations. This is the first one. Which type of lines? The combination of the two lines, you just observe that was, when the two lines can be passes through the origin, then the combined equation pair of straight line is having three terms. What are the three terms is? One is x square term, and one is xy term, and one is y term. So it can be written as ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. Ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. This is the equation of a pair of equation of a pair of straight line. Which type of straight line? Both are passes through the origin. Let J कौनसी origin बटे origin, that means मूल बिंदु बटे पास अगर J कौनसी दुईटा लाइन रो combined equation of फॉर्मेशन के प्रकार थिबो ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. आपको हमें combined equation कहबो. Again आपको हमें कौन कहउछंती homogeneous equation भी कहबो. It is called to the, what is that? Homogeneous equation. आपको कौन कहउछंती homogeneous equation. homogeneous equation. सर कौन पैसा रखो homogeneous equation कहबो है? एबे r पावर केतो अछि? x स्क्वायर पावर केतो अछि? 2, r पावर ता 2 अछि. एते x रो पावर 1 y रो पावर 1 बोले r टोटल पावर केतो अछि? 2. एटा y रो पावर भी 2 अछि. प्रति टर्म रे पावर्स इक्वल अछि. देखो इन एवरी टर्म पावर्स आर इक्वल. Such equation is called the homogeneous equation. Such equation is called the homogeneous equation. So ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to called to the homogeneous equation, which represent the pair of straight line which is passes through the origin. जे कौन सी origin वाटे pass over a pair of straight line रो combined equation is this one. Okay. So finally what you take a screenshot. Otherwise in the right you come to the YouTube and you can write it. So therefore what is the truss? You can write on means ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 represents a pair of straight lines which passes through origin, So ax square plus 2hxy plus by square represent a pair of straight line which is passes through the origin. Origin or pass our j कोनोसी दुटा equations होइबे. So that means what is that? If you can draw like this is means, suppose these two lines, it is passes through the origin, lies in the first quadrant. If it is possible in the second quadrant and third quadrant and fourth quadrant also, or if these are combined equation whichever column, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. Otherwise, आपको मैं outer model में what is the model? It can be lies in second quadrant and fourth quadrant also possible. These are combined equation also ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. This is the two combined equations which is passing through the origin. Origin not pass over j coordinate. These are straight line equation. Okay. Now clear it. Okay. Every quadrant if y is equal to m1x and y is equal to m2x are two straight lines which is passing through origin with slopes m1 and m2 say कौन भाई आई दुईटा इक्वेशन रे कांस्टेंट टर्म नहीं सो ऑटोमेटिकली इट इज पासेस थ्रू द ऑरिजिन अगेन m1x y is equal to m1x వచ్చిన కొలే m1 is the तार स्लोप m2 is another slope एबे ई दुईटार कंबाइंड इक्वेशन ले એટલે કોણ હો એપટ આંદરે m1x minus y into m2x minus y is equal to 0 is the combined of these two equations. एबे गुणिले केतना आछे हमके m1 m2 into x square minus m1 into xy minus m2 into xy minus and minus y square is equal to 0. आपको हमें जाग्रत लिखले कौन हो m1 m2 into x square minus of m1 plus m2 into xy plus y square is equal to 0. Y square is equal to 0. This is the first equation. हेले हमें आई आगे कौन पड़े ax square plus 2hxy plus by square इलारो जे कौन सी दुईटा ऑरिजिन ओटे पास होलो पेयर ऑफ स्ट्रेट लाइन लेके सो आकु मु कौन करबी ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 सहित कंपैरिजन कर बोले कौन ये दुईटा को सेम लाइन में रिप्रेजेंट करना को coefficients are compulsory equal बोले that means first coefficient कितना आसीबो m1 m2 by a is equal to minus of m1 plus m2 by 2h is equal to ये कितना आसीबो m1 m2 by minus of m1 by 1 by b so एबे ई दुईटा इक्वेशन को तमे इक्वल करले m1 m2 is equal to a by b aslo again m1 plus m2 is equal to minus 2h by b aslo so this is the relation between slopes while equation pile kon hochi suppose motor equation dali 3x square minus 2xy plus 2y square is equal to 0 दीजिए या रिप्रेजेंट करिवो दुटा लाइंस व्हिच इज पासेस थ्रू द ऑरिजिन सो इट a is equal to 3 2h is equal to -2 b is equal to t so automatically कोब दुटा लाइन रिप्रेजेंट करिवो तार प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द स्लोप्स केते कहलु a by b कहली दैट इज 3 by 2 and the sum of the slopes केते आसीबो m1 plus m2 is equal to -2h by b हला so minus 2h is plus 2 by 2 that is 1 sum of the slopes is 1 and product of the slopes is 3 by 2 ये मॉडल रे फाइंड करियो को हमें ई सूत्रटा शिखिबा y is equal to m1x and y is equal to m2x to straight line which is passing through the origin with slopes m1 m2 नेले तार रिलेशन कितना आसियो m1 m2 is equal to a by b m1 plus m2 is equal to minus 2h by b. Okay, at the present up to now what you did, how to write the combined equation of two straight lines. એટલે જે કોણ છે જે straight line દેલે તાર combined equation કેમતે લખેલા ચેક કરવા શીખી. ଏବେ કોણ combined equation દેલે તાକୁ separate કેમતે કરવા શીખી. ઓકે ના, ટેક a screenshot. Okay, now we are going to see that if the combined equation is how to separate the equation. એટલે combined equation દઉં તો આપણે separate કેવી રીતે કરવું. એમ કોઈ equation મેં લખી છે x square minus y square is equal to 0. ये ଗୋଟେ homogeneous equation का h y टर्म नहीं. आपको हमें separate पर केवी लिख परिवा x square minus y square is equal to 0. a b square minus b x plus y into x minus y is equal to 0 लिख परिवा. हेलो ना नहीं. So it is dual line है ना. The first line L is equal to x minus y is equal to 0. L2 is equal to x plus y is equal to 0. This is the way to find the simplified value. हेले सब क्वेश्चन को ई मेथड रे थिबल को की रूल किछि नाही. सब को ई मेथड रे थिबल को की रूल किछि नाही. Then how to write down the equations? तबे देखो ଗୋଟେ क्वेश्चन ଅଛି. ଏବେ कोरिया क्वेश्चन है 2x square minus 3xy minus 3xy clear 2x square x square minus 5xy plus 6y square is equal to 0. x square minus 5xy plus 6y square is equal to 0 equation का दीजिए. एबे आपको इमिति सेपरेट कर लास्ट आपको सेपरेट करि परिबा कि इट इज पॉसिबल या केबे कि पॉसिबल नाही. कोन भाई a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर सूत्र अछि जे हम स्प्लिट कर देबे. बट आप स्प्लिट करे बचे नाही. बट यहाँ को भी दिसछि ax स्क्वायर प्लस 2hxy प्लस by स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 0 मॉडल रे. एबे आपको कोन करिवो कन्वर्टेड टू द क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन इन x और y. x रे की y रे की जे कोन साइड को क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन को कन्वर्ट करो. पहले अब हम आपको केमिति लिखिले देखो x square minus 5y into x plus 6y square is equal to 0 लिखिले. केमिति लिखिले ले x रे लिखिले आर अर्थ को मॉडल लिखिले ax square plus bx plus c मॉडल रे लिखिले. को मॉडल लिखिले ax square plus bx plus c मॉडल रे लिखिले. सो ऑटोमेटिकली a is equal to कितना से हमको 1 and b is equal to minus 5y and c is equal to 6y square. ये तीनटा वैल्यू तो बस है. a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 5y and c is equal to 6y square. तले जनरली हम सेकंड फॉर 10th क्लास में सीखी छे ax square plus bx plus c रो रूट्स को सूत्र बना देल छे x is equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. b square minus 4ac by 2a सूत्र हम जाने छे. एबे सी सूत्र अप्लाई करला को कोन हो x is equal to minus b विले 5y plus or minus root over b square लेके तासियो minus 5y रो whole square minus 4 into a into c by 2 into a ହେଲା ये 2 into a 2 टाइप पर 2x is equal to 5y plus or minus root over हम कहते अच्छे 5y square इले 25y square minus 4 6 इले 24y square. So 2x is equal to 5y plus or minus root y square इले y है. So now the duita lines asio coco line asio the first line is 2x is equal to 5y plus y namale 2x is equal to 6y. So it implies x is equal to 3y. Yeah, which is first line. Case 1 positive and negative. Case 1 re kon koli I can take in the positive case. Case 2 re kon koliba you can take the negative value. Negative value namale 2x is equal to 5y minus 1. So 2x is equal to 4y. So x is equal to 2y. It is the second line. We do it again. The combination equation of this one. So what are the separate lines are? The two separate lines of combination. E do it combination of separate equation kon hochi. First one hochi x minus 3y is equal to 0. And second hochi x minus 2y is equal to 0. In this way you can be finding the separate the equations. कौन करनेगा? अगर आपको दूसरा का समीकरण वैसे तो ची ax square plus 2hxy plus by square can be converted into ax square plus bx plus c model रे convert कर ले. इट a यूची कहते what is the value of a is equal to a value is equal to 1 and b is equal to 5y and c is equal to 6y square. आपको हमें x is equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a मॉडल में कन्वर्ट कर ले. That is 5y plus or minus root over 5y square minus 5y square whole square minus 4 into 6y square. That is 2x is equal to 5y plus or minus root over y square. Root over y square will be y. So two cases you can be applicable को लाभ ले. हमको कितना स्थिति टू केसेस को लागू then it can be converted into x is equal to 2x is equal to 6y गुटे again 2x is equal to 5y गुटे 2x is equal to 6y गुटे आस्ती again 2x is equal to 5y. This is the two equations which represent the pair of straight lines. Okay, pair of straight lines which is passes through the origin. एमिति हमें सेपरेट कर परबा बोले आज कोन करले. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जनरली दुईटा ओरिजिन वाटे पास हवा लाइन देले तार कंबाइंड इक्वेशन लिखिबार गोटे सिखले. सेकंड होची कंबाइंड इक्वेशन देले सेपरेट करके लिखिबार सिखले. दिस इज द टू कांसेप्ट अप टू नाउ लर्निंग. द पेयर ऑफ स्ट्रेट लाइन्स रे कोन होची जे कोनोसी दुईटा लाइन कंबाइंड करके देला को ताको हमें सेपरेट करके लिखिबार हैला and separate करके दिखला ले कंबाइंड करके लिखिबार सिखले. These are both the origin of the pass over line का हम सीखे. Now ଏବେ जनरली देखा सिंपल या x एक्सिस में या y एक्सिस में ଏବେ ଦୁଇଟା ଲାଇନ୍ସ ଅଛି. କୋଉ ଲାଇନ୍ କରି this is the first line and it is the second line. ये दुईटा लाइन origin वाटर पास होची. Let our ये दुईटा रा combined equation हमें ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. This is the combined of these two equations, ax square plus 2hx square plus by square is equal to 0. Suppose if duita line, put a line y is equal to m1x and second line y is equal to m2x line. हेले ई दुईटा मध्य फॉर्मेशन करबा एंगल करते. What is the angle between these two lines? Angle between these two lines. मिलेगी तो concept कौन मुझे बेटे angle between pair of lines. Angle between pair of lines. मतलब जे कौन से pair of lines रो एंगल के तासी वगैरह कॉन्सेप्ट हमें देखना. ओके, सपोज ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 represents x square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 represents two pair of lines y is equal to m1x and y is equal to m2x. then आगे का में से क्लियर तो y is equal to m1x and y is equal to m2x are data straight line का मतलब है concept पर सीखिए sum of the slopes is equal to minus 2h by b will सीखिए again product of the slopes is equal to a by b सीखिए. these two concept I learned at us. એટલે origin वाले पास हम जे कौन से data line y is equal to m1x and y is equal to m2x निकले तार sum of the slopes कहते हैं minus 2h by b and product of this slope is a by b. before हमें simplify करते हैं. let theta be the angle between them. ये theta मुझे angle रखा में theta value है. theta is the angle between them. then आपको slope हमको दीजिए और first line slope m1 दीजिए and second line slope m2 दीजिए. so आपको slope को दीजिए और फार्मूला बनाओ tan theta is equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. this is the सूत्र हम जाने चाहिए जे कौन सी दुईटा लाइन में जो एंगल फार्मूला बनाओ tan theta is equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2 अभी फार्मूला सीखिए. एवे we know that a minus b whole square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. that is the formula you know that as a minus b whole square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab formula you know that. hele आपको a minus b रो वैल्यू ढूंढना है. what happened under root of a plus b whole square minus 4ab. this is the formula. अभी मैं आपको कन्वर्ट कर ले कौन आसी हो tan theta is equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 to square root of m1 plus m2 whole square minus 4 m1 m2 whole by 1 plus m1 m2. ये देखो हमने वैल्यू सब हम जाने चाहिए m1 plus m2 is equal to minus 2h by b. m1 m2 is equal to a by b. इसी फॉर्मूला सब्स्टिट्यूशन कर रहे हैं. मॉडुलस ऑफ रूट ओवर minus 2h by 0 whole square minus 4 into a by b whole by 1 plus a by b. so आपको सिंपलीफाई करना कहता है that is modulus of a 2 whole square 4h square LCM मतलब 4ab by b square root of by a plus b by b. this is the formula. ଏବେ आपको कॉमन कर दे व्हाट इज द ऊपर चार कॉमन कले बाहर का से कोन हो 2 रूट ओवर h स्क्वायर माइनस ab रहइबो बाय b होल बाय a plus b by b so b quadra so this is the modulus autocastic tan theta is equal to so what is the formula for finally formula for tan theta is equal to so finally tan theta is equal to modulus of 2 root over h square minus ab by a plus b. This is the formula for angle between two lines. जे कोण से दुईटा लाइन मध्य एंगल को फार्मुला पुट करले 2h by a plus b. This is the formula of angle between two lines. जे कोण से दुईटा एंगल दी जो कर मारता एंगल की तरह so pair of what is the dynamic equation today you can be discussing complete the concept which is related to the lines passes through the origin वाटे पास हवा लाइन इक्वेशन रो कांसेप्ट का मैं डिस्कशन करछे और जनरल लाइन इक्वेशन पेयर ऑफ लाइन रो कराइनी ता नेक्स्ट क्लास में देखिबा ए क्लास रे कोन कोन कराइ छै फर्स्ट होची व्हाट इज द इक्वेशन ऑफ ए लाइन व्हिच इज पासेस थ्रू द origin तार कंबाइंड इक्वेशन ता सिखले सेकंड टा होची कंबाइंड इक्वेशन देले सेपरेट करके लिखियार सिखले नेक्स्ट एंगल बिटवीन पेयर ऑफ स्ट्रेट लाइन जेरा पेयर ऑफ स्ट्रेट लाइन मझरे एंगल करियार सिखले ओके सरला एबे आर रिलेटेड रो प्रॉब्लम हम करिया ई सूत्र टा देखो ए सूत्र के देखि प्रॉब्लम टा करिया हम ना देखा प्रॉब्लम टा find the angle between lines represented by find the angle between the lines represented by 3x square minus 4xy plus y square is equal to 0. 3x square minus 4xy plus y square is equal to 0. ई दुईटा लाइन रे ई पेयर ऑफ इक्वेशन रो एंगल केते पछाना सॉल्यूशन देखा केमित करबो गिवन इक्वेशन इज गिवन पेयर ऑफ इक्वेशन इज गिवन पेयर ऑफ लाइंस इज 3x square minus 4xy plus y square is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 3, b is equal to 1, 2h is equal to minus 4. So h is equal to minus 2. So let theta be the angle between them. Then what is the formula for tan theta? Tan theta is equal to modulus of 2 root over h square minus ab by modulus of a plus b. So that is modulus of 2 root over h square minus 2 root square minus 3 into 1 by a plus b. It is modulated. So a plus b 3 plus 1. So कितना से यहाँ पे फॉर्मूला tan theta is equal to 2 root over a 4 square will be 4 minus 3 by 4 modulus of 1 to 2 kupatla. So tan theta is equal to modulus of 1 by 2. So modulus of 1 by 2 is positive. So tan theta is equal to 1 by 2. Theta is equal to tan inverse of 1 by 2. This is the formula angle between these two lines using of this formula. हमको ये कौन सी formula पता चले using of this formula रे हमें our angle टा करे को find सकता this one. Okay. So हमें इधर नोट पॉइंट देखो नोट हम एंगल मध्य का फार्मूला है tan theta is equal to 2 root over h square minus ab by a plus b modulus है first case if two lines are parallel like देखो दूसरा लाइन को पैरेलल निकालना है पैरेलल होने का मतलब which implies that दूसरा मध्य एंगल थीटा 0 है जो which implies tan 0 is equal to tan theta is equal to tan 0 is equal to 0 है so दूसरा मध्य एंगल थीटा चले तो वैल्यू कितना आती 0 है so 0 is equal to 2 root over h square minus ab by a plus b ఎప్పుడు అంతనే h square minus ab is equal to 0 which implies h square is equal to ab એટલે h square નો value is equal to product of the x coefficient x square coefficient y square coefficient ಏನಾದ್ರೆ see pair of straight line represent କରିବା two lines केमते हमको product of the lines must be equal to the parallel lines सीधा का हमको parallel lines से लिखो next second one if two lines are perpendicular એટલે pair of straight lines represent କରିବା ଦୁଇଟା ଲାଇନ को perpendicular ଥିଲା then what happened it is if the two lines which represent the pair of straight lines are perpendicular then angle theta is equal to 90 degrees अबो theta 90 degrees ಅಂದ್ರೆ tan theta is equal to tan 90 degrees is equal to 1 infinity that is 1 by 0 लेटिकता से 1 by 0 is equal to 2 root over h square minus ab by a plus b so finally what you get in the terms a plus b is equal to 0 so a plus b that x square coefficient plus y square coefficient का summation 0 आइलाले see homogeneous equation represent करियो straight lines perpendicular थिबो h square is equal to ab आसलाले तले see equation represent कराटा गेट बसियो parallel lines थिबो एबे गुड एग्जांपल करछि 3x square minus 6xy then minus 4xy plus 3y square minus 3y square is equal to 0 generally 3x square minus 4xy minus 3y square is a pair of straight lines represent করছি so type of pair of straight line both are passing through the origin not a pass over the straight lines को आपको represent करছি so but if x square coefficient a3 y square coefficient b is equal to -3 अछि so it a plus b करले केता आसे हमको 3 minus 3 is equal to 0 आसला so summation 0 आसला लिखले automatically ये कोन हो perpendicular lines आला so जे कोनोसी pair of straight lines रो h square is equal to ab हेले the two lines are parallel lines actually next a plus b is equal to 0 हेले the two lines are perpendicular lines so finally what you get in the class in the today class we just discussing what are the combined equation of the two straight line which is passes through the origin. And second one is, if the separate equation means how to write on the combined equation. Third one is angle between two pair of lines which represent the passing through the origin. And the conditions, these two lines are parallel and two lines are perpendicular. In the next class, we can be discussing the pair of straight line with non-homogeneous method, means origin of the pass over line equation or combined equation. I must take care. Okay, thank you.